Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Razr 60 Ultra, and let me share with you how to block a number in this device. Let's start with opening the dialer, and basically we are not able to block the contact from the contact list because as you can see, after entering the contact, the block number option should appear right here. However, it is not visible, it is not available unfortunately in any of those contacts, so I can only show you how to block the number using the settings. So here it does not really matter whether we will be on the contacts, recents or favorites. Just tap on this three-dot icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Here we've got this option blocked numbers, so let's tap on it and then tap on add a number. This is our blacklist, which is of course right now empty. So let's tap on add a number, and here we can enter the phone number manually. We can also paste it if we've got it copied. We can copy it from our contacts, for example, and then tap on block. And as you can see, we had this information and this number immediately appears on the blacklist, which means that from now on you won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from this specific number. As you can see, it is also the information exact match with full number. What is more, at the top we've got this option unknown. You can turn it on and off just by tapping on the switcher. It's totally up to you, and basically you can block the calls from all unidentified callers. If you'd like to, you can also unblock the number, so remove it from the list just by tapping on this X button right next to it, right here, and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.